health store's a wholesaler of natural and organic products to the independent health food trade. We have a range of over 9,000 products ranging from organic seeds, nuts, pulses through to natural body care, vitamins, supplements which we distribute to customers in the UK mainland, Ireland, across Europe and to the Far East. We operate from a 75,000 square foot warehouse in Nottingham, operating 2 picking shifts 5 days a week. We supply over 600 retailers and make 950 deliveries a week. Having reviewed the business, we realised that we needed to increase our pick accuracy. We went through a selection process with a number of different software packages, and Accord struck us as being the most suitable for the business. We picked up on the voice systems within Accord and looked at the benefits of putting those into the warehouse. We then looked further into the system and realised that as a fully integrated warehouse management solution, we could replace all of our systems with one integrated system from BCP, which would make the whole running of the business far more straightforward. Having chosen Accord, BCP organised a reference visit for us where we could see the system live in action, and it was incredibly impressive how the system operated and the benefits that that company had seen from implementation. Once we'd chosen the Accord package, we decided to switch the old system off and Accord on one day. On the 24th of December, we switched the old system off and Accord came up live, and we went straight into stocktake, and it was the most seamless implementation of an ERP system I've ever seen. Once everyone was familiar with the Accord system, we decided to implement voice. We did this within a week, starting in the goods receiving area and then working through the warehouse, finishing up with picking. Accord from BCP has really transformed our business. It's brought us into the 21st century. The key benefits are data accuracy, visibility, scheduling and efficiency. Accord has really improved the accuracy throughout the business, from goods receiving to the stock through to the picking accuracy. Our members have commented on how much more accurate our orders are now, given the implementation of voice. Accord's transformed the visibility of data within the business. For instance, in telesales, where we're now confident in the information in front of the operator to be able to guarantee that stock's available and also to upsell product or to sell substitutes or alternatives. Accord's also transformed reporting within the business, giving us fantastic ability to slice and dice data to show us exactly what we need to know about the business. With our previous paper-based system, people had to manually decide which pieces of work should be done in which order. Accord now does that for us and schedules the work in the most effective order for the business. By being able to see the exact quantities of work in each area, we're able to move people to the best effective use of their time. One of the biggest efficiency gains we've seen is within picking, where we're now picking more orders with fewer pickers than we were before we implemented Accord. One of the key tools that we've been able to implement with Accord is reorganising the warehouse to make it more efficient with the data that we've now got, trying to make the flow of the operation fit better with the way we work. We've developed a very close working relationship with BCP, who've shown they're very interested in developing the system to meet the needs of their customers. Through special interest groups, we've been able to give our input into future developments of Accord. A good example of this is the kitting module, where BCP worked very closely with us to develop the product in Accord to meet our exact needs. Now that Accord is fully implemented in our business, we're delighted with the results and absolutely convinced we've made the right decision. It's improving efficiency throughout the business, both in the offices and in the warehouse. And we can already see other opportunities to use functionality within Accord to further improve our business.